Hello everyone, I am Anil Bharte from Department of CSE BLDS CET Vijaypur. In this video, I am going to explain graphical method to solve the games. Now question will be like, solve the following game, that's all. So first, you have to check whether there is a saddle point or not. If there is no saddle point and if it is 2 cross M matrix. Now in this example, we have taken it as 2 cross 3 matrix. So there is no, if you check, there is no saddle point for this particular matrix and it is 2 cross 3 matrix. So it is of the form 2 cross n. So we go for graphical method. Now let us see how to plot a graph. Now there are 2 strategies for A and 3 strategies for B. Now our aim should be to reduce the matrix to 2 cross 2. So no need to eliminate any row because there are only 2 rows. Since there are 3 columns, we need to eliminate one column so that we will have only 2 columns at the end. Now let us try to consider the combination from first 1 and 8. First you should draw 2 vertical lines which are parallel to each other and you take the distance between these 2 lines randomly, and highest value in this is 11, so I have marked them up to 11, 1 2 3 up to 11, and on second line also I have drawn up to 11. So first combination is 1 on first strategy and 8 on second strategy. So 1 and 8, 1 on first line, 8 on second line, and join these two and mark it as first strategy of B. Then second strategy of B is 3 and 5, 3 and 5. So join these two and write it as second. Third combination is 11 and 2. So 11 on first line, 2 on second line, and join these 2 points and mark it as third strategy of B. Now if it is 2 cross n form, then we should consider the region which is towards the origin and no other line is passing through this origin. So in this case, this region I can say, see this one, this is the region which I am going to consider for 2 cross n form, and these are all minimum points because they are approaching towards origin. So these are all minimum points. Now among these minimum points we should find peak value or highest point or maximum value. Now this is the peak point and we denote it by P, and it will be like max min, that is maximum among these minimum values. Now after finding this P, check how many lines are passing through this. Say in this case 2 lines are passing through this point P, and that is second and third line. So the lines that are passing through P should be retained in our next step. See, second and third strategies of B are retained and one is eliminated because these 2 lines are passing through it. So therefore the matrix reduces to, like, first strategy of B is eliminated. So we are left with 3 11 and 5 2. So 3 11 5 2, and observe here 1 and 2 same, but for B we have not written 1 and 2, we have written 2 and 3 because first strategy of B is eliminated. That is, using first strategy of B, or probability of using first strategy is 0. So now this matrix has been reduced to 2 cross 2. Now we can apply arithmetic method by calculating oddments and probability. Then we will find value of game as we have seen in previous video. So value of game will be 49 by 11. And optimal strategy for A will be, because A has only 2 strategies, 1 and 2. So 3 by 11 and 8 by 11. These are the optimal strategy for A. But for B, actually there were 3 strategies in the beginning, but we have eliminated one, that is first one is eliminated. That is why I have written 0 here, 0, comma, then 9 by 11 and 2 by 11. But for A, I should not write 0 because even in the beginning there were 2 strategies, so no need to write 0. I have written 0 here because there were 3 strategies in the beginning, so 3 elements should be there. Out of these 3, the first one is 0 because first strategy has been eliminated by using graphical method. Now if it is of the form m cross 2 and no saddle point, then again same method is applied, that is we we draw vertical lines and we mark them. Then we draw some lines like this according to the elements, say for example like this. But in this case, that is m cross 2, we take the above region instead of taking this below region in case of 2 cross n, but in case of m cross 2 we take above region. The maximum points are considered, and among these maximum, which is the minimum, this point is minimum, and the number of lines that are passing through this point should be considered for the next step. Okay, this is one case. One more case is, sometimes, see here, there may be 3 lines that are passing through that point P. Say for example this 1, 2, 3, these 3 lines are passing through point P, but we should consider only 2 out of those 3. Now 2 lines should be such that they should make opposite slope. Opposite slope means one line should be going towards upwards and another should be coming downwards, like maximum value to minimum, or here from minimum to maximum, like that. So this is opposite slope. Now if there are these, if lines are like these two, it is moving in this direction, in this direction. Though there is an intersection between these 2 lines, they do not form opposite slope because they are moving upward direction. Both lines are moving upward direction. So we cannot say that these 2 lines are forming opposite slope. So opposite slope means one should go down, another one should go up. So if there are more than 2 lines passing through some graph, say for example in this point if there are 3 lines passing through, then we should consider only 2 lines which are forming opposite slope, and it will be reduced to 2 cross 2. Then find the probability and oddments by using arithmetic method. Finally you find the value of game and optimal strategies. Thank you.